Welcome to the HI Plus Reapar Assembly Guide. In this video, we shall walk you through the complete step-by-step process to assemble your HI Plus Reapar model RPR160-1200. Unboxing. After opening both boxes, all items displayed here are now available for assembly. The list of parts is carrying frame, rear frame, wheels to numbers, handle one left hand and right hand, handle to left hand and right hand, handle stay, drive shaft, upper plate, lower plate, carrying decu, marker, toolkit with owner's manual. Let us now begin the step-by-step assembly process. Wheel assembly. Extract the drive pin and nut from both ends of the axle. Mount both wheels, right and left, onto the axle of the rear frame. After mounting the wheel, reinsert the nut and drive pin to secure the wheels to axle properly. Carrying frame and rear frame assembly. Extract the nuts and fasteners from the carrying frame and rear frame. Insert the drive shaft into the carrying frame. Ensure the drive shaft is properly engaged with the spline shaft. Now, couple the rear frame with the carrying frame. Use the nuts and fasteners to mount the carrying frame assembly to the rear frame. Lower and upper plates. Mount the lower and upper plates using fasteners on the right-hand sprocket of the carrying frame. Handle 1 assembly. Open all fasteners and assemble handle 1, left and right, onto the rear frame. Handle stay assembly. Open the fasteners on rear frame and mount the handle stay. After mounting, secure with fasteners. Gear lever assembly. Attach the gear lever to the handle stay. Ensure it is properly inserted into the shifter yoke. Use a washer and split pin to secure the gear lever. Handle to assembly. Now assemble handle to left and right with the throttle lever on the right side of the rear frame. Adjust the handle position according to the operator's height preference. All fasteners are to be tightened properly. Clutch cable assembly. On the left handle 2, connect the clutch cable from the handle to the secondary gearbox on the carrying frame. On the right handle 2, connect the clutch cable from the handle to the primary gearbox in the rear frame. Ensure all fasteners are used and tightened securely, and the cables are secured with ties after adjusting the cable length. Now check for proper functioning of both the cables. Throttle cable assembly. Before connecting the throttle cable, open the air cleaner. Connect the throttle cable to the right-hand control assembly of the engine. Reassemble the air cleaner using the wing nut. Now check for proper functioning of throttle lever. Marker assembly. Assemble the marker on the right side of the carrying frame using proper fasteners. Carrying deck U assembly. Finally, assemble the carrying deck U onto the carrying frame. Ensure all fasteners are properly secured. The assembly of your HI plus Reapar RPR160-1200 is now complete. Safety reminder. Before starting the engine, please ensure the following. Read all instructions in the owner's manual. Confirm all the components are securely assembled. Gear oil is filled in the gearbox. Engine oil is filled in engine. Unleaded petrol is filled in fuel tank. Proper oiling is done on the cutting blade assembly with engine oil grade SA10W30. Engine starting. Fill gear oil of grade SA90, quantity 500 ml in the gearbox. Tighten the filler caps securely. Fill unleaded petrol in the fuel tank having capacity of 3.5 liters. Please fill as per the requirement and do not fill full tank. Tighten the filler caps securely. Fill engine oil grade SA10W30, quantity 600 ml. Tighten the filler caps securely. Before starting the engine, ensure the petrol knob, engine switch and the choke are in the on position. Start the engine using the recoil starter. Once the engine starts, please switch off the choke. Check all functions. And now your Reapar is ready to use. Thank you for watching the HI plus Reapar assembly guide. Honda for all to empower all.